Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a topic that's crucial for businesses of all sizes: operational performance. Whether you're a startup or an established company, understanding and optimizing your operational performance can make a huge difference in your success. Transition to definition. So, what exactly is operational performance? In simple terms, operational performance refers to how efficiently a company can produce goods or provide services while managing its resources effectively. Importance of operational performance. Now, let's dive into why operational performance matters so much. When a business consistently delivers high-quality products or services, meets customer demands, and minimizes waste, it can gain a competitive edge in the market. Efficient operations lead to lower costs, faster delivery times, and improved customer satisfaction, all of which contribute to increased profitability. Point 6. Transition to example. To make this clearer, let's look at an example. Imagine a manufacturing company that produces smartphones. The company's operational performance would involve how well it manages its manufacturing processes, supply chain, and distribution network. Example scenario. Suppose this smartphone company can streamline its production line, optimize inventory levels, and minimize production delays. As a result, they can respond quickly to changes in customer demand. This means fewer products sitting in warehouses, reduced carrying costs, and more satisfied customers. Challenges in operational performance. Of course, achieving optimal operational performance isn't always a walk in the park. Businesses often face challenges such as fluctuating demand, supply chain disruptions, technology limitations, and workforce issues. These challenges can impact efficiency, quality, and overall performance. Transition to addressing challenges, but fear not. By identifying and addressing these challenges, businesses can strengthen their operational performance. This might involve investing in advanced technology, adopting lean manufacturing principles, building strong supplier relationships, and providing continuous training to employees. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Operational performance might sound complex, but it's at the heart of how successful businesses operate. Remember, the key is continuously monitoring, analyzing, and improving your operational processes to stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.